Are you tired of showing your face on camera? Many creators experience this struggle. Today, we will explore automation tools for your YouTube channel. Our goal is to create engaging content without the need for filming yourself. Let's start with the first tool, ChatGPT. This AI can help you generate video scripts. Simply input your topic. The AI will return a well-structured script in seconds. The next step is voiceovers. Use ElevenLabs for high-quality AI-generated voices. Choose a voice that fits your channel's tone. Insert the script you created earlier to generate a natural-sounding audio file. Now, let's move to video assembly. Use Pictory to compile visuals. Upload your audio and script. The AI will suggest relevant images and clips for your video. Edit as needed and create a seamless flow. Next is editing your video. Capcut is a powerful editing tool. Import your Pictory output. Add background music and final touches. Ensure everything syncs well for a polished presentation. For final enhancements, check Opus Clip. This tool optimizes your video for YouTube. It can trim clips, alter formats, and improve visibility. Now, let's talk about monetization strategies. Focus on ads and affiliate marketing. Promote links in your video description. Also, consider creating AI courses. Share your knowledge and earn income. In summary, we discussed using AI tools to automate your YouTube content. You can simplify workflow, save time, and monetize effectively. Don't hesitate. Start applying these tips today to transform your channel. If you enjoyed this guide, click subscribe for more AI income tutorials every week.